In prime time news this evening, water crisis. New NWC data point to zero inflows to some catchments. Pressure mounts on the government to protect cockpit country from mining. And the results are in. Security audit of hotels and attractions complete.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Herman Green has our preview. Herman?
Thanks, Janella. Well, Reggae Sumfest is over, and while we are basking in the musical memories, was it worth it for promoters and investors? This evening, the Business Day will look at the economic side of the greatest reggae show on earth.
And Jordan Ford, what's happening in sports?
Well, Archie, the Olympic dream is over for Jamaica's under-23s. It ended in disappointment at the Anthony Spaulding Sports Complex last night against St. Kitts and Nevis. I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Monday.
Let that sink in again. St. Kitts. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, would you support harsher penalties for persons who use acid to disfigure others?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.